Hello and welcome. I'm at Stuttgart CMT trade fair, second largest trade fair for motorhomes, caravans, campervans and the like in Europe. We've got here in front of me a Live Wave 700 LX Platinum selection, and it says it's new, so let's have a look at it right now. This thing here costs 92,539 and it is 748 centimeters long. Let's have a look inside. Right, well, face to face in the lounge. I don't like face to face, but plenty of people do, otherwise they wouldn't build them. Coming to the back, we've got a large bed. The bed can move up and down in size. Not in size, I can't move it. Sorry, you can move up and down in height. That's the word. Should that be necessary. Right, here, what have we got? In here, we'll find a wardrobe. We've found two storage things. We've got a ledge under it. We've got a light. One light's white, and the other light is blue. You can change the colour of the lights if you like that, then that's great. If you don't, then you can put them both blue or whatever. I think it goes to several other colours as well. And no window there. I think most people probably would want one, but maybe not everybody does. And here we've got a solid door in the bedroom. Now the problem with solid doors is they get old, like me, and then they start rattling, like I've done in old age as well. So it just starts rattling. And so, well, this one here doesn't even go the full way across. Is this the fault of Knaus, or did somebody break it? I bet you think I came in earlier and broke it. Right, well, anyway, the problem is, you know, if you're moving around, it starts making this sort of noise. It's going to probably get on your nerves a bit. Of course, it would be there, wouldn't it? Now it'll start rattling. Well, it's rattling already. Okay. I went out in a vehicle, it wasn't this one, it wasn't even this manufacturer, and the thing started making a noise. Although I did find in that case I could actually tighten it once I'd located what the racket was. There you go. Can you see that? Probably not. No, never mind. Steps up to the bed as you'd expect, and in here we've got a shower. Very clever. I like this display. They put the duckboard, put a protective carpet under it, and under that you'll find the shower tray, two drainage points, and a anti-slip surface under there. Here, place to hang your socks up with, separate shower. In here we've got the toilet. Let's hope that this fits here. It does. As always, every manufacturer provides, there's a space up there, that's normal, and a toilet here with a moulded sink, mirrors, and skylight up there. Through here we will find two burners and a sink. For those say two burners aren't sufficient, well, in that case you need to get a different van, don't you? So that's that one sorted out. Storage goes all the way back. Now in some of the Knaus models I've got a rather nice pull-out slidey thing, but it doesn't go all the way back. But here you don't have one, and it does go all the way back. But it can use all the way back, I should say. There, and a little bit extra space here. Obviously that's being used from the outside. Soft close. Here we've got a bed. The bed will come down. More to the point is, however, how much space is there under the bed? Let's have a look at me. Here I am standing at the lowest point, and here I am getting under the bed. Can you see that? Yeah, I've got my head's bent, and my legs are bent. So what does that mean? It means that this will probably be too low for most people. You might say, well, the bed has to go somewhere. Yeah, the bed has to go somewhere. It's a bit of bad design when they've got it raised here. Can't see the point of that at all. Maybe it's some technical reason which I don't understand, but That's how I see it. I don't think that's good design at all. Alternative for those that insist on carrying a bed around with them, and I'm going to give you this suggestion: get a pneumatic mattress. It takes up next to no space. You can blow it up in 30 seconds. Well, let's say it takes some time to learn it. A minute. With it, get a little electric pump. If you have to do it by your mouth, then it might take a little bit longer. Might take a minute and a half or something. But maybe I'm exaggerating. But whatever. It makes far more sense than having this big thing you're carrying around everywhere. It weighs around 100 kilos with the mattress. I don't think I'm exaggerating there, am I? I might be a bit, but it weighs a lot in any case. So that's extra weight you're carrying around with you all the time, and you lose all this height, which is daft. Okay, here we have the shower, and now to return to the subject of the daft floor. Step there. At this price level, I would expect a flat floor. I do appreciate lower price levels. You don't, but I would expect one here. Okay, let's go round to the outside. The problem with the queen bed layout is it does impinge on the space you can have in the garage, so you're not, I don't think, going to get a bike in there. What this has got here, this is the plate where you can actually raise and lower the bed. So let's see if it's working. Right, so you can see the bed now. I'm pressing the button and the bed's going up. That's now at its maximum height. Let's go back inside and see what that has done. So that's given us more space in the garage, and what's it done in here. So that is now at its maximum height. Note how nicely, fluidly it went up. So you might find that's a bit hard to pull yourself up to, but you have got the steps round the side. Why is that in the garage, where it may seem to be far more inconvenient? The reason, I think, is, and I think this is a logical reason, it's because it's in the garage where you might have more things that could potentially be squashed. So that is why that's there. Let's see it come down. I'm going to press the button here. See, and let's watch it now. So that's now down to where it was when we started. That was a very good come up and come down. Very nice. Right, so door this side as well. Here we have one gas cylinder. Here we have the service box. Put your water in there. You can thread your hookup cable through there so it doesn't get stolen. And there's your Truma frost control. I've done a video explaining how that works. This is a very good idea, and I don't think it's been copied. I'm not certain. Did Death Lefts do a vehicle with it? I can't remember. But I think it's a very good idea, that service box. When it first came out, I didn't like it, but it's got better. And then you see me complaining about it in other videos. But I think now it's a good thing. Okay, as always, I need to warn you, I do not recommend buying Knaus vehicles. I've done lots of vehicles on this. I've done lots of videos on this subject. And indeed, this does seem to be the opinion of the local prosecution office as well. So any legal difficulties Knaus has at the moment, so really I would avoid the company if at all possible. I do of course accept the fact that the people I had problems with are no longer with the company. They either were forced to resign, or they are enjoying the hospitality of the German taxpayer. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.